Hi, how are you guys doing today? Pablo's here, and today we're going to be trying Mr. Yu's freeze-dried sour blizzards, and I'm going to be rating it out of 10. Let's try it together, guys, and see how it tastes. Let's see them. Let's just see them. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. They kind of taste like Skittles, or look like Skittles. As you can see, there are the colors of the Mr. Yu's freeze-dried sour blizzard. As you can see, Mr. Yu's freeze-dried sour blizzards. They have a lot of colors inside. They have like purple, as you can see, purple, green, yellow, red, orange, and lots of colors. Let's try it. First, we're going to be trying yellow with red, yellow and red together. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. The yellow, they kind of look like Skittles, like the freeze-dried sour blizzards, like the Mr. Yu's candies. They look like Skittles, but the yellow one, like the sour blizzard, it kind of tastes like lemon, and it's very sour. Let's try the red one. Let's try like one by itself. Mm-hmm. The red one is very sour, but also sweet. Now we are going to be trying the orange. The orange kind of tastes like sour. It kind of tastes like the orange like mango candy. That's what it tastes like. Now we are going to be trying the green. The green one kind of tastes like Sour Patch Kids. Like it kind of tastes like the sour apple, like the little green apple thing. And then there's the purple one, the last one. Let's try it. The purple kind of tastes like grape. Like it just tastes like actual grape. The sour blizzard, it has like ingredients like sugar, corn syrup, citric acid, hydrogenated palm kernel oil, and it has 110 calories and 5 milligrams of sodium. And if you guys want to buy Mr. Yuyu's freeze-dried sour blizzards candy, I'll tag him down below in the TikTok video. And if you want to buy it, you can go through his website. It's called MrYuyus.com. It's also on his Instagram and on his TikTok. If you want to buy it, I'll tag him down below. And overall, I give the freeze-dried sour blizzards from Mr. Yuyu's 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for trying Mr. Yuyu's freeze-dried sour blizzards with me. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.